Welcome students to class 4 maths. Today I will discuss what sums on division of standard 4 grade. So let's look first example. The first question is the total weights of 12 tablet computer and 30 smartphone is 8,988 grams. The weight of a tablet computer is 469 grams. What is the weight of a smartphone? Now you can see the questions talking about computer and smartphone. Now you can see the total weight of 12 tablets computer and 30 smartphones is 8,988 grams given. Now in the question it is given about the tablet computer. So how many tablet is there? 12 tablet computers. So with the help of the bar model you have to draw the 12 units. 1, 2, 3 like this you will draw up to 12. Like this also you can show it. After that what you have to find? This is the question marks why I have given. That is the total weight of the 12 tablet computers. This you have to find. So for 1 unit is already given, that is 469. The weight of 1 tablet computer is given, that is 469. So first you need to find how you will show. First you will show 1 unit is equal to 469 gram. This is the unit of 1. Now how many units? Now 12 units. So means what is 12? 12 is your tablet computer. 12 multiplied by 469. What is 469? That is the weight of 1 computer. So when you will multiply, you will get 5,628 gram. What is this? This is the weight of the 12 tablet computers. 5,628 grams. 12 tablet computers and 30 smartphones. So as it is given in the question that the total weight of this 12 tablet computers and 30 smartphones is 8,988 gram. So in this way you will show the bar models presenting the total weight, and as just now we find the weight of 12 tablet computers is 5,628 grams. Now we are not knowing the weight of 30 smartphones. So we need to find this. So what you have to do with the total, we have to subtract 8,988 subtract 5,628. So you will get 3,360 gram. So what is 3,360 gram? You have to write the statement for this, that the weight of 30 smartphone is equal to 3,360 gram. So now we will move to next bar model. That is how you have to find. Now you can see this is about the 30 smartphones. As we are knowing the total weight, so you will show how many 30 smartphones is there. The weight total, that is 3,360 gram. So now you will show in this question. Now we need to find the weight of 1 unit. 30 smartphones we are knowing the total weight. Now we need to find 1 unit of 30 smartphones. this one. So the 30 smartphone, what you will do after this, you will show the 1 unit, and next is you will get question mark. Why this is question mark? Because you need to find the 1 unit of 30 smartphones, which is not given. So now you can see from the total, this one 3360 gram, you need to divide by 30. When you are dividing, you will get 112. What is 112? This is the weight of 130, weight of 1 units. Let's come to the second question. Tina baked muffins for sale. She threw 76 muffins that were spoiled and packed the rest into boxes of 14 muffins each. Each box was sold at Rs 28. After selling all the boxes, she collected Rs 9,688 altogether. How many muffins did Tina bake? Now, let us move to the solution. Let us move to the solution. As we are not seeing in the question the number of boxes, but you can see that after selling all the boxes, she collected Rs 9,688. So first we will draw the bar models, but you can't write anything about the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 because you are not knowing the how many boxes, but you are knowing that cost of one box is Rs 28. Now what you will do to find the total boxes in the question, first you need to divide by 28 because for one box's cost is Rs 28. So when you will divide, you will get 346 boxes. So Tina sold 346 boxes of muffins. So now, what about muffins now? So you got boxes 346 and what is 14? Can you tell me what is 14? 14 is the muffins in each box. Means that in one box there are 14 muffins, in the second box is also 14 muffins total. Okay, so now you need to find total muffins she cooked. So now 346 multiplied by 14, when you will multiply, you will get 4,844 muffins. It means that Tina sold 4,844 muffins. So should 4,844 muffins be the answer? No. Because you can see in the question that 76 were spoiled. So what you have to do? So this also you need to add. So like this will be the bar models when you will show the muffins. You can see the total muffin is 4,844 plus 76 which were spoiled during making the muffins. So total you need to find. So like this you will draw the bar model. Next, how you will do? You will add these two and you will get 4,920. The answer will be Tina baked 4,920 muffins. Now let us move to the next question. Ruhi has Rs 354 in her savings. If she saves Rs 15 each day, how many more days will she take to save a total of Rs 5,229? This is the next questions. So now let us move to the So you can see the bar model. Here, Ruhi has rupees 354 in her savings. Now you can see what is 5,229. That is the total saving that she was having. So while you have drawn the two unit, one is smaller and one is bigger. So 354 is the she was already having the saving, and the bigger one you need to find out. So the smaller one will be the, you can see the unit is smaller, that 354, and this one is bigger one. So you need to find out how many rupees she need to do the saving. So next, what you will do, now you can see for finding this one, she need to subtract 5,229 minus 354. So you will get rupees 4,875. So amount Ruhi has to save rupees 4,875. So she need to save this much rupees. She was already having this much rupees in her saving, but how much she need more to save. Now next is, again move to the bar model. You would draw the bar model like this. So now here need to find out what. So what was the total? 4,875. This was the amount she has to save. But 1 unit, that is what is 1 unit, is marked for rupees 15, because per day she has to save rupees 15 as it is given in the question. So what she has to do, how many days she need to save the money. So per day if she is saving rupees 15, so how much days she needs more to save to get this much money, that is 5,229. But already she is having 354 in her saving. So now what you have to do, you will divide rupees 4,875 by 15. So you will get days, number of days, that is 325 she needed to save the total amount. So Ruhi will take 325 days to save a total of rupees 5,229. So in this way you will get the solution. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe the